Let's make Halloween crafts from popsicles. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. That'll be going live from 1st to 6th November. Quickly check the description below and participate in the quiz to get eligible to monthly giveaways and also grab interesting coupon codes for yourself. Stay tuned with us for more of such exciting announcements.